everyone. My name is Lori Mahan, and I am in the course of study of Masters in Instructional Technology, which has come in very, very handy in this new world where I'm teaching from home. I am currently teaching. I'm actually teaching a fourth grade resource room. I have 9 students. This has been kind of difficult transitioning to online. Well, taking my curriculum online wasn't the problem. Getting my students to log in and be more motivated to complete it is where I found the most difficulty right now. But we're kind of coming to an end. I'm teaching till June 19th. So I'm in school for a little while still and still doing this. I really don't know much about instructional message design. I'm actually really looking forward to this course and learning something new. I assume it has to do with how we design what it is we want students to understand. But again, I really have very little knowledge of it. I thought I would add a little interesting tidbit about myself. I am actually a huge animal lover. If we've taken any classes together, I've probably mentioned that. And over this time where we were all home for COVID, I thought, well, this must be God's way of telling me to adopt a puppy. So I adopted a blind puppy, and we're in the process of training him and housebreaking him. So that's a lot of fun. But he is absolutely adorable, and I love him to death. So I'm looking forward to this course and working with all of you. Thank you for watching my video.